Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add images to your Google form. So for instance, you're doing like a quiz on I don't know, waterfalls. I'm just going to write waterfall because I have no idea what to write about them. Oh, it's a little bit laggy. Waterfall. Great. Now to add a picture, click this or over here. So add an image, and I'm just going to press upload and press browse and choose this and just wait for it to load. And it's going to be, oh, I think I need to do it here, sorry. Need to put it there, so press that image button, and then it'll be in this question. For instance, where is this waterfall? I mean, of course nobody's gonna find that out, but that's just an example. But that's just basically how you can add an image to your Google form. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!